I want to take this opportunity to guide you on how you can be able to work online as a teacher. You to go and apply is an online tutoring platform which is called AirClass. AirClass one-on-one is a platform that has been created, and you can see now I'm in the AirClass one-on-one, and you can see students can be able to join here. But if you are a tutor who would like to teach different subjects, you can teach maths, English, you can teach Chinese, biology, chemistry. If you are a teacher of physics, you have an option there, history, economics, geography, and then we have philosophy. There are many subjects. If I try to go down here, you can see accounting, computing is there. We have music, all sorts of subjects. Spanish is there, Italian, all subjects. So if you are a teacher of N level, right from preschool all the way to adult education, I need to tell you that there is an opportunity for you. Now, once you are in the platform, AirClass one-on-one, if you want to apply to become a tutor, you just go here, this section where we have more. And then you go down, you can see now we have a section where you can be able to click, which is become a tutor. That's where you're supposed to click. And then once you have clicked on that, you need to see that there is a section for us to apply. Go there, click on that. Once you've just give it time. Now I want to show you different options. So if you want to apply, you see the first part of the section here, your first name. First name you can say maybe John. You are John. Surname we can say Kamau is your surname. Email, you'll come here and write your email at gmail.com, depending on which email you are using. Then here you can see the good thing, we have different countries from where you can apply from. You can apply from Tanzania, we have Togo, we have Tonga, Kenya is there, Uganda is there, Ukraine, United States. It has different options. Like for instance, I'm in Kenya, so I can be able to say I'm from Kenya. So you can see now the option is here, and then you can be able to input your phone number, and for that case you can say maybe and so on, and just put it like that. There's another section whereby you're supposed to indicate your age. You can be able to maybe say you were born 24th of around 20, let's say 1990, just per se. Yeah, this is just meant to ensure that you are over 18, you are above 18 years in order to be allowed to work in this. Then you will come here and indicate, do you want to become a full-time or part-time? I just would like to advise you when you're putting this kind of application to set full-time, because they want people who will be able to give a lot of more of their time into the platform so that they can be able to have the students engaged. And the country of residence, for instance, if you are in Kenya, you are in Canada, you are in India, you are in Belarus, that is, okay, it's Belarus. Yes, if you are in Belarus, you can be able to indicate that. Right, at this section, you'll be required to state the highest level of education. Are you having A-levels living certificate? If you have A-level living certificate, means you are done with your A-level and then you have joined college, then you can be able to do that. If you have a bachelor degrees, you can be able to enter that, or masters or PhD. So those are the different options that we have. And you realize we have other section down here, the subject that you're going to teach. If you're good in maths, you can enter that. You are good in English, you can enter that. You are good in chemistry, you can put that in. You can key in physics, you are good in it. Or if you're good in Germany, you can as well do that, so that you have many options. Make sure you enter many options as possible so that you stand a chance to get opportunity there. We have another section, the grade, that the section you can be able to teach. Are you able to teach primary, secondary? You can be able to check in that. And also education, all adults. Here you can be able to put the language that you speak. If you are speaking in English, you speak in Arabic. If you speak in French, you can be able to put that in. Which national curriculum system are you able to teach? You went through the UK curriculum. You can be able to enter that. You can enter if you are using Malaysian national education curriculum. If you are whichever kind of curriculum you do, you enter at that particular section. The length of teaching, you enter, that is the years of experience you've been teaching. Yes, there's this section whereby you need to indicate the number of hours you're going to give into AirClass in a week. We can say maybe you take about 4 sessions in a week. 4 sessions, right? Let's say six sessions. 6 session times 50, that will be 300 minutes. 300 minutes, that's per day. Yeah, and you multiply by 7 days, and that's going to become 2100 minutes. Divide that by 60 so that you'll be able to know the amount of time you are going to indicate at this particular point. The next section is to upload your CV. You'll just click here, and then maybe you can be able to go straight to your computer, then you'll be able to upload it. There's another section that is here which I'm going to advise you on how to go about it. Introduction video or audio, which you can be able to insert as an audio, or you can be able to insert as a link. So I'm going to show you one way you can be able to do that. If you want to record a video, in this case, I advise you to go online and use Vocaroo. Vocaroo, you just go there, you just write Vocaroo, VOCAROO. This section, maybe if you want to record something, you introduce yourself. You say, my name is Nick Moses, I'm a teacher of maths and physics. So whichever things that you're going to say, and then you'll be able to do what? You'll be able to end that video, that audio. Now once you have ended that audio like that, you see there's a section save and share. Now once you have done that, you'll go to share, then you can now copy that link from Vocaroo. Then now we go back to our application here where to upload the link. So at this particular point, if you click here, you can see there is a section for you to enter that link, and then we'll enter that link and upload it like that. So once you have done that, how did you know about AirClass? You can maybe say Facebook, you can say Indeed, you can say maybe referral, depending on the information that you use to reach this platform. Now once you've entered any of your options, now you can be able to register. You click to register to become a tutor. Those are the baby steps that you are going to use, and you can see now here, if there's any information you have forgotten, you can be able to it can direct you to come back and insert that information. And you can see now even the email that I just indicated here is not a valid email. But if at all you entered the correct information from the beginning to the end of the process, you are going to actually get a notification in this window indicating that you can check. They'll get back to you, and you can check in your what? In your email. It also indicates you can even check in spam if the email has been responded. These are the steps you use in order to apply for tutoring sessions in AirClass one-on-one.